northeastern Hickman County, Kentucky, northern Graves County, Kentucky, until 8:45 a.m. At 8:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fulgham, or 8 miles east of Clinton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near or just north of
The
Maine.
National Weather Service
EAS
has issued a flash
Other
flood warning for
locations impacted by
Alexander
this
County,
tornadic
Illinois,
thunderstorm
Pulaski County, Illinois, Southern Union County, Illinois, East Central Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, East Central Scott County, Missouri, until 2:15 p.m. Sunday.
Moved to a basement
At
or an
8:09
interior
a.m.,
room on the lowest
Doppler
floor
radar
of a
indicated
30 building.
thunderstorms producing heavy
Avoid
rain
windows.
across the warned area.
If you are outdoors,
Between 1
in a
and
mobile
2.5
home
inches
or
of
in a
rain have
vehicle,
fallen.
move to the closest
Additional
stable
rainfall
shelter
amounts of
and protect yourself
0.5 to
from
1
flying
inch are
debris.
possible in the warned area.
A tornado warning has
Flash
been
flooding is
issued until
ongoing or
8:45
expected to
a.m. for
begin
the following
shortly.
counties. In Kentucky,
Expected hazards
Graves,
include
Hickman,
flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are
A severe
expected:
thunderstorm
flash flooding
warning
of
remains
small
in effect.
creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cape Girardeau, Anna, Jonesboro, Trail of Tears State Park, Dongola, Thames, Karnak, Olive Branch, Ware, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, Olin, Olmsted, New Grand Chain, Pulaski, and Mill Creek. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Cape Girardeau and Scott, and the following counties: in Illinois, Alexander, Pulaski, and Union. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the southern Illinois area. Today, cloudy with